Hi, well, this is an unpacking video for my Bowman M101 boxed. I haven't looked inside. I'm very excited about this because looking at the photos on eBay, this is in almost new condition. Okay, I've got to say it's not brilliantly packed, but shifted and the base is stuck. There we go. In the crack at the bottom of the box. The burner. Okay, the burner tube is cracked here. This has been in this box for a long time. The whistle. Blimey. Safety valve. Blimey. There's the remains of oil in there, that's nice to see. Okay, the steam valve is seized solid, and interestingly enough, the steam pipe has had a repair. Not terrible. The transfer has that usual old transfer finish, crinkled. It's like the end of the boiler might have had a ding at some time, I don't know. There's the soldered internal brace. There's the level, which is just a screw. The end of the con rod, nice and loose, as is the way. Yeah, there's quite a bit of wear in that. That's quite oval. So I've not seen this before, this type of fastener for the chimney, whether it's original or some electrical fitting. I'm sure the wise guys on the forum will know. So the steam pipe repair there has failed. I think the most obvious thing to do here will be actually to take the steam pipe off. That pipe should be parallel, but it's suffered a whack. You can see where it's bent the steam pipe, and the result is this is too close to the firebox, and that's got a horrible kink at the top. So, an easy repair job. Yeah, okay. So it's clear, isn't it? That broke. And the previous owner tried to repair it, and judging by the soldering job, failed. And that was the last time the engine was used. Okay, so there's a little bit of rust that you always get at the bottom of the firebox. But not bad. The lacquer is generally missing. Border band's in good condition. This rust is long. It's long size. You might know what you're seeing. That's okay there. Let's just touch it together. Yes, yes. Okay. Yep. Okay. Keep the watches. Like. Screwdrivers. Nice size head. We've got it down so far, it's passing away. So let's stop. Wow, that firebox is really nice. Practically no rust. That is the least rusty Bowman firebox I've ever had. Yes, I have made it. We'll brush on the HT. So what have we got there? What have we got here? Oh, actually, what is this? Well. That's all. Go inside. Do not leave ballistol on a surface for days and days unless you're certain the surface isn't going to be damaged. And it makes me cough. No rust. It's just a bottom boiler. You're also waiting to do this. This will be talk to my use like that. Okay, so what's up here? This is there's no sign. There's no sign, really. There's no impression. Are you taking? Look at that. Well, thanks for doing that. I'll go through this is. Look at that. It is mainly rust. Look at that. Okay, form advice is needed. Okay, so there you have it. My Bowman M101, unboxed and partially dismantled. How exciting!